The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Laureldale, or near Reading, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Pottstown, Lansdale, Wyomissing, Quakertown, Percy, Souderton, Birdsboro, Fleetwood, Chalfont, Laureldale, Hatfield, East Greenville, Dublin, Leesport, Schwenksville, Valley, Bechtelsville, Green Lane, and Lyons. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.